Hi guys, today I am working on a mesh market bag. The pattern's called Willow Mesh Market Bag by Brianna K Designs. If you want to go find it and work alongside with me, I'm using this super cute pink sparkle yarn that I just had in my stash. It is by Mainstays and a bamboo crochet hook that is a 5mm. I'm on round 3 and I just thought it would be a fun little pattern to work through and make with you guys while we get to know one another, visit and chat. So I learned to crochet back in it was actually the 2000s. I think I've been crocheting now for about 25 years. But I absolutely adore crochet. I learned to crochet by a mentor. Her name was Gina, and I just learned how to crochet while working night shift at an emergency call center, and I fell in love with the craft, and I've never looked back. I have a whole bunch of yarn and crochet hooks, and I actually just recently started to really consider taking on the craft of knitting too. So when we start to think about learning something new here on this channel, that is my plan, you guys. We're gonna maybe learn how to knit together, and I hope that we all learn something. I hope that this is a place where you want to come and hang out and visit and just do crafts. We won't always be cozy in a chair by the window on a stormy afternoon, but we might move to the kitchen and work through making a loaf of sourdough, or be back here learning how to knit, or maybe some guest crafters as well. Other things that I love to do once in a while is some watercolor painting. I like to do puzzles sometimes. I love to build Legos when I can. So you guys, lots of things, just me being me. But I truly do think that we were created to create, and so I invite you to use this space, come hang out, and be a part of creating. And you can sit in your own cozy space in your own home or car or desk at work and just find what you love to create. A place to just come and hang out and do just what you love. So tell me, you guys, below or in the comments. I'm not even sure, like, I know I don't have YouTube dialed in yet. I don't have it all figured out. But I'm sure there's a comment section, right, you guys? So I know I'm supposed to say, like this video, subscribe to the channel, right? Supposed to say that. I hear other YouTube people saying that. My youngest daughter watches YouTube, so I hear that on the regular. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So that's kind of cute. I don't know. You guys, what do you love? I want to hear from you though. What do you love to craft? What do you love to create when you have a moment to do just what you love? What is it that you love? Do I love it too? Is it making cookies? I like to do that too. I also like cookies a lot. Okay, I think this round is supposed to have 36, you guys, and I think I messed up somewhere, so let's double check it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. There's my mistake. 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. Okay, my mistake is right here. So here we go. Frogging. You guys, when was the first time you heard that term? If you don't use yarn, I don't know, do other people use the term frogging, you guys? So we call it frogging because you're ripping it out, and so it's rip it, rip it, rip it, and so it sounds like a frog. And so we call it frogging now. You're frogging your project. Okay, so I found my mistake. So I went back and got that corrected. You guys, counting stitches is not my favorite thing, but over the course of 2+ decades of crocheting, I have learned that A, counting is hard, and and B, always count your stitches. Always count your stitches. My middle daughter is a knitter. She's learned how to knit by watching tutorials, which has been super cool to watch her blossom in that craft and kind of encouraging me to learn how to knit as well. Okay, we did it, you guys. 36 stitches in our round. There we go. We're gonna join that. Oopsies, split our yarn a little bit. Okay, here we go. Okay, now we can get started. Is this gonna be much of the same? Two and two. Okay. Oh, I'm not doing this stacked single crochet right. I gotta go back, friends. Stacked single crochet. Yarn over and in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over. Oh, that's still not right. I guess I need to practice that. Okay, practice makes perfect. Stacked single crochet coming up, friends. I'm gonna get it figured out. Thanks for joining. You guys, remember that you were created to create, and I am so glad that you're here.